Hello, welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribe to my channel to get many of these exciting videos. Have you ever seen a bird born with only one hand? Look at the bird. You can see there's only one. Let me show you. Look at. Ayo! Look at. No sign. It's not that it got injured or it's by birds. Can you see? Can you see? So what do we call this now? Wow, wow, wow. What a wonderful God. Wow, wow. Can this be surgically corrected? Will it require a transplant? If there is a name for it, please let me read your comments in the comment section. Thank you. Please hit the subscribe button.